Hi, and welcome to this quick demo of Sheet Viewer. Sheet Viewer is a software for Windows, macOS, and Linux that will show you part of an Excel sheet on top of your other window and in a transparent way and also in a minimal way. So let's go directly to the demo. So here I've prepared an Excel file. So I just decide to select this Excel file. Then I'll decide to go in the, for example, in the cell order tab of this Excel files, and I just want to see the cells between A2, let's say, and also G7. So just a few rows. Let's have it like a half transparent in this case, and indeed set always on top. And you can also can also detect if the file change and reload it automatically. It can also notify you with some beep sound or put back the window in front if it's not always on top, or add like a green border. And it can also help you to just edit some text inside the file. So let's click on show the sheet. Okay, so here it is with Shift Alt and moving the mouse. I can also move it to some other place. So this is just a screenshot of the application, but this is a real application. So I can even select, copy to the clipboard, for example. And you can see that it's not bothering me or the rest of the application. I can also change the transparency to have it like a totally obscure or to have it the most transparent as I want, so that it's even less bothering me again. You can also even resize it if you want, but then you'll have some scroll bars to navigate the data. Put it back more visible in this case. And by hitting escape, then you come back to the user interface that you had. Thank you for watching.